Hi, my name's Rees. I competed at the WorldSkills UK National Finals at the NEC in Birmingham in November 2019 in welding. After 3 days of competing, I won the gold medal, which means I am the best in the UK. I'm really pleased with my achievement. It was a massive goal for myself. I trained really hard for 2 years. It still feels unreal to today, but I got the gold medal and that just proves I've done it. I got involved in WorldSkills UK about 3 years ago, where I started competing in small little competitions around Wales. My tutor then approached me and said that my skill level is up to the standards of WorldSkills UK. Preparing for the WorldSkills, it was really hard. I had to come in twice a week in the evenings, once on a Wednesday for a couple of hours. I had to train quite a lot. There was loads of different various joints I had to weld, different positions, different materials, but I got it done. I've been in the college for 6 years. I've done 3 various courses, one being the City and Guilds. My core foundation was the ABC welding course, which was a brilliant course. I'm now studying the EAL course for my 3rd year, and I definitely recommend it. I am a structural welder, currently working for Avon Engineering in Llansamlet. It's a really great place to work. I have all the older men training me, which helps me out a lot. Because all of the jobs that I weld in work is really similar to the jobs I had to weld in WorldSkills, from the processes to the material. Without Avon Engineering in the college, I don't think I would have won the WorldSkills. For any other future competitors, I strongly recommend you compete them. I was such a nervous person at the start. I still am a little bit, but it's definitely brought me out of my shell. Now I've won gold, I think it's going to open up a lot of doors for me. I've already been approached by a couple of companies, but realistically I'd love to open up my own business one day. I think it's my passion. I feel like the industry has a lot of work for structural engineering.